Look at this. See, I was talking about the animal internet. This is the second animal that I've crossed its path. Let's see what happens when I go up closer. Ooh, listen to that now. I mean, it's fucking really quiet out here right now. It's fucking awesome right now. It's like really still. I mean, there's a little breeze way up top, but look, down here, it's pretty still. You can hear people just revving their engines for like no reason. Like, look at me, I'm the center of attention. I'm the center of the universe. The rules don't apply to me. Trying to let those little bird squeaks and shit drown out all that rat race. That rut row rat race stuff. Just dissolve it out of my system for a minute. Even if it's only for a small break. So I can recharge my battery. And tap in. See, that's the thing, man. Sometimes to tap in, man, you gotta tune out. You gotta tune out with some frequencies to tap into a different spectrum. It's like, I don't think you can tune into them both. And if so, not all the time. Maybe you can develop that level of mastery over your internal world. I don't know. Oh, look at that. That was probably a little flying squirrel chipmunk. Look at him. Ooh. One night it was just around dark, man. And I heard one of them fuckers fly, man, and land on a tree like right by my head, right behind me. Fucking awesome. I mean, there's some tall enough trees. You can get some crazy. Squirrel could jump down from there and fly a long fucking way. He could definitely fly from that side over there. Kinda sucks. Gotta keep it pushing if I want to get this sunset. Gotta get to somewhere where there's some open space. Thinking maybe the school parking lot. Or maybe maybe at the middle fucking the middle thing through the park. What is it called? The middle bridge. Man, anyway, man, it's a fucking beautiful day out here, man. I'm really happy I fucking jumped on it when I felt it. Kind of starting to feel a little famished. I think I'm gonna get the sunset recharged for a minute before I go out with the moon gaze. Like positioning, man, you gotta be positioned in the right side of town, man, to get the right shots at the right time of year. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and kill it for a minute. I'll kick back on a little bit.